Keep your privates to yourself, dude. Let's cover them with the blanket. Can't lose our rating over you, dude. Okay, we're good. We're good. Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and this is my home, and I am so excited that you're here today. We are counting down the days until Christmas. 25 days, 25 videos to celebrate the holiday season. This series is just absolutely packed with so many fun ideas. It's full of tips and tricks. It's full of shopping ideas and room makeovers. We just hope more than anything that you'll take away so much joy during this holiday season through this series. We're so delighted to have you here at the House of Valentina, and let's jump into today's video. Guys, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and my husband Jack is with us.
As is Louie.
And Louie. We are counting down the days to Christmas and we are creating our ultimate gift guides for the holiday shopping season because we are passionate about helping you guys buy, sell, renovate, and decorate. What is it, little angel? Where are your jammies? Where are your Christmas jammies? So we are passionate about helping you guys buy, sell, renovate, and decorate. We're so passionate about creating a beautiful home life, and so we just think that Christmas and the holidays is the perfect time to think about buying gifts that will help your home life be beautiful year-round. So that's why we're doing these gift guides, and we hope that you guys will enjoy them. We've done our $25 and under gift guide already for you. If you haven't seen that one, be sure to click back through. I'll leave a link for you in the show notes. And today we are doing $50 and under. So let's jump right in. One of my first items is going to be blanket. And blankets can be pretty expensive, but there are some that are lighter weight. This one's from Pottery Barn and it comes in several different colorways. It's a good boy, can you sit? So I've done an entire video on, oh, do you like the blankie? Here, let's wrap you up.
He wants to lay down with it.
He wants to lay down with it. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so Louie loves the blankets, and this one from Pottery Barn can be a little bit expensive, but they do put them on sale, and they do come in different colorways. And people a lot of times think that they only need a heavy blanket during the winter months, but not everybody wants a heavy blanket. And I use these year round because I like putting them over the arms of chairs to make it look really cute. Yeah. So,
like, I'm not a big blanket person like you do.
Yeah.
I want something light because usually I'm not cold, so this is perfect. Lots of candles in our house, and we need something to light them with. And so I don't know why I love these things.
Everybody loves them.
They're little strikers, but they're so cool
because it's like a quick light.
You just don't need that box sitting around. And so it's.
I don't trust him with fire.
That's fine.
Especially near my hair.
Okay.
Or his.
Mine would go up like a blowtorch. All that hairspray. But these are really cool. We have them sitting around the house, various places. They come in different colors, different sizes or whatever, but we both use them nonstop.
Yes.
So
it's just convenient.
This is really convenient. And they're fun, and they're there's something fun to like. They're just different.
Everybody likes them.
Yeah, they do.
Everybody likes them. It's such a great gift to give and get. So if you want to add it to your own list, or if you're shopping for someone else, it's perfect. I like to buy things like this off of Etsy. So I've got a couple items that you can buy from either like a local thrift store, or if you're gonna go to an antique shop, or you wanna get on Etsy if you're shopping online. These kinds of things are so pretty and they're so personal. And this one has had flowers in the spring. It's got a Christmas tree in it for the winter, and I just think that something like this is really fun. In fact, I even used this for wood spoons for a while in my kitchen, so you don't have to only use it as a water pitcher. Yes, there is the appearance of a chair, so hang on, we're going to tell you about it in
magic of television.
A minute. Yes.
I blinked and it was there.
All right, tell them about yours.
All right, the Echo Dot, okay? These things, again, they're prevalent. A lot of people are using them. This is an amazing gift for
I kind of feel like we're the only ones who don't have these
all over the house. Because so many of our friends have them and absolutely love them. They love connecting them to Alexa, having their music playing or their movies, and
like our kids absolutely love theirs. So this is such a great gift if you don't already have one, or if you want to give one. Maybe if you got grandkids, or you've got a neighbor that you're wanting to give a gift to.
Yeah, for grandkids, it's like ideal because it's so many things all in one that it's, if you don't know anything about electronics especially, this is just a great entry point to get into the whole speaker.
I was
voice
doubtful
activated
because
thing.
I was like, we don't really need that, and my kids love it.
Yes.
So that's definitely worth it. I've got another baking item today. This I splurged on. I have wanted one of these pans for forever. These come from Williams-Sonoma, and they come in all different shapes, and I have made the most beautiful cake. Stay tuned. I'm going to share that recipe with you.
Seriously, it's stunning.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. So stay tuned. I'm definitely going to show you a cake recipe that I make with this. But this, oh my God, like this is like a dream come true. I've wanted one of these for forever.
Because the cool thing is the design.
I know.
Like,
This
I know
one in
these,
particular
I mean, like,
has like an Art Deco
so
design.
Art Deco, so cool.
And it is over 50 if it's not on sale, but they've been on sale lately. That's why I went ahead and put it into this category. So, God, buy this. Buy this for someone who loves to bake. They will love you forever.
So my next one is technically brand new, not in our price point, but you can get them used in our price point.
Oh, I was like, I don't know where he's going with this.
And that is...
No, that one's 50.
This one's 50?
Yeah, that's 50.
Oh, it was the other one that's not.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. This one isn't
coffee
within
table
all the
books,
rules.
guys. Coffee table books.
John Darien. Amazing. So we went to a shop recently in New York. It was my first time seeing it. Blown away.
Magical.
But the book itself is just a book of curiosities and just amazing,
magic and curiosity. If you want to give the gift of magic and curiosity for the holidays, buy this book. And you will probably have seen that I tear the pages out. In fact, he even says that. He wants you to tear the pages out, use it to frame, use it to wrap gifts.
I mean, there's just like crazy stuff in here and gorgeous art. And you're the queen. I'd never done this before, obviously, but you're the queen of like putting things out on the coffee table open.
Yes. So it's decor and it's art and it's something that's really entertaining.
And this is just such a good one. So John Darien.
Yeah, the cover is really pretty. It's just such a great book. If you don't own this, just go buy it because you'll be so happy you did. And you can get it from Amazon Prime in case you forgot somebody's gift. Okay, mine then. Okay, we're still in the kitchen because one of my favorite things is a stacking mixing bowl. My kids broke the smallest, I think that's a word, the smallest one that goes down here. And I've been eyeing these came from Williams-Sonoma. I didn't see that these were as great a quality as the ones that I had from Crate & Barrel. And I sold my Crate & Barrel ones when I left Denmark because they were yellow and I'd had them for about 18 years.
They were really thick.
They were, and they still
solid.
sell them at Crate & Barrel. And now that the top one is broken, this is on
Do they have in other
my
colors than yellow?
yeah. So when I sold mine, I know he's taking notes, I hope. When I sold mine in Denmark, I was like, I'll buy the Crate & Barrel ones when I get back in a different color. I should have just kept my yellow ones.
Yeah.
Stupid. I should never have sold these. But I had gotten these at Williams-Sonoma at the outlet, and I didn't like them as much. So Crate & Barrel. I literally use these for everything. We use these every single day.
For serving,
in our
for
house.
mixing, for popcorn, for
everything.
They're great bowls.
Yeah.
All right, so my next one is the one that I started to talk about earlier. It's not technically brand new underneath our price point. It's a little bit higher.
It's about
70 or 75. But you can pick them up used everywhere. And this is another great Peter Lindbergh, amazing photographer, fashion photographer, all black and white.
You may not want to show that. This is definitely more. It's not
inappropriate.
It's not adult content.
It's just
you know what I mean, but it is
amazing fashion
edgy.
stuff. And there is some edgy. There are a few pages you don't want to open when the kids are around. But
most of it, no.
But most of it, the photography is just stellar, amazing portraits. And this is one of those that you kept on the coffee table for before John Darien showed up. This one was on the table for a long time.
I switched them around because it's like new art for everybody. So we can put it back out with a new page open.
Yeah, it's just...
You have to show them. You're flipping through and enjoying it without showing them.
Sorry.
Here,
I really am.
I'll hold it, and you tell them about the chairs that are sitting next to you.
Oh, so chairs. So, yeah, so you make sure you don't open one. It keeps opening to my favorite photo in there.
Oh, that's because I think we had it open to that
one. Yeah, I love that photo.
May involve a bird.
It's just a little finger. In most of the world, that's not offensive.
Yeah, the kind of bird that doesn't fly. We're not talking about chickens.
Okay. What's that other bird that doesn't fly?
Penguin?
Penguin, ostrich. There's a few of them. Why are they called birds then if they can't fly? I don't know.
I know.
So anyway, this one is another amazing gift, another amazing find. We have these at our dinner table because we're a little non-traditional in our chair choices.
I love something that feels French, and these are legitimately
1000%.
what the cafes use in France, and these are $50 each, or even less. Sometimes I can find them on Amazon. They were actually even
Did
less.
they come patinaed?
No, I actually put these out in the garden.
Yeah, if you want them patinaed, which actually makes them look more amazing.
It wasn't necessarily on purpose. I was
No,
like,
but
I'm going too French, and then I went really modern for a while, and then I was like, pull them back from the garden, and I was like, they're perfect now.
They're amazing.
So they don't come.
And they're actually
warm.
comfortable. I know that people think, oh, this can't be comfortable. But most people sit on chairs made of wood. It's not like that's made of a cushion wrapping around your butt. Like this, like they're both hard. You may as well have something that looks good. So it's kind of like me.
You wonder why I don't put them on the video too often. This is why.
Built like a rock and yet still comfortable and sweet.
I don't even have anything to say to that. I just.
You get me on video and I have so much fun.
Oh my God. I bought
love
this at the antique market recently, and it's so pretty, and you can actually use these. I think it's not even marked. Like, this is not like specific to a brand or anything, but it's just a vintage tureen, and this looks
What do you use with tureens for?
so good on my shelf, and I put it on my shelf.
So we don't use it.
I have no intention of using it.
What would you use it
But you
for?
actually can. These are made for soup, which I think you would actually love that if I served the soup in this.
Oh, or the stuff that I like at
The yemisi.
Yemisi.
The Greek stuffing that I make at Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Heaven.
So you don't have to use this if you don't want to, because oh my God, it's so pretty just by itself, but it just looks extremely French. The French, probably because they serve soup and they put it in something pretty. But yeah, these are beautiful. I'll link to some of the vintage ones that you can find on Etsy. And I found some newer ones that you can buy like on Amazon and Target as well. He's coming in with something very large. I mean, that sounded weird.
That's what she said. She literally did.
This is his favorite basket. I like this one. This is my favorite basket. Oh my
It's
God, you
round.
can't see me anymore.
They're all round. This
is my favorite.
So we had a discussion a minute ago. She's like, go get my favorite basket. And I grabbed this one.
And I was like, no, this one.
Because
this one came from Target. It's right at $50, and I've bought, you probably can't find them locally. Sorry if you live anywhere near me, because I bought them all. And you can still get them online. But they sell out every single time they go in the store because they look very French. This is that French country modern thing that I'm like obsessed with lately. Buy this basket, you will not regret it. Oh my God, I also bought some for my pantry that are smaller. They have like just different sizes in the same color, but to try to get something like this as an antique or vintage item will cost you a small fortune. And I cannot find these in this price range, even close to this price range, anywhere else. So that's my favorite.
This is my favorite, and I keep having two thoughts with it. One, it looks like you should get onto a boat, I don't know, in the 1800s with your stuff in it for some reason. I don't know, just not, okay, I know what I was thinking of. Like going on a cruise, like on a jungle cruise.
And still you wouldn't use a basket for that. This would
you
have
would.
like baguettes in it or something.
Now that was my other choice, is a picnic basket, which will be the world's largest picnic.
Yeah.
That's a lot of food.
I'm gonna let you carry the picnic basket.
But this is my favorite basket. It sits in a hallway, so it's flush against a wall, which is really cool.
A lot of times I stick it in the bedroom. It actually does have like pillows from the bed and blankets thrown in there.
I love this thing.
We literally use this every day.
Yeah.
Like, I throw extra pillows in it and
We just throw whatever,
blankets.
sometimes the kids, whatever we don't want to deal
seriously,
with.
Landon climbs inside of
Yeah,
it.
he does.
And hides. It's a really good hiding spot.
Yeah, and we
Your
leave
kids
him,
will like this.
we let
Give
him
your
hide.
kids a basket for Christmas.
Yeah. And sometimes we let him hide for an hour or two until we find
No,
him.
we don't. They're gonna call VFAX on us. This was an item that you actually bought for me.
Yeah, I took a risk last year and bought this off Amazon.
I still can't believe it. And they have another really pretty one with like an
gorgeous one.
arm and like a. So these are knockoffs of I don't actually know how to say his name. Anastasiadis. He's a Greek designer. He makes beautiful lamps. They're in the thousands and thousands of dollars for his lights. So for those of us that have children that have to go to college and don't have those kind of budgets,
And electric bills.
the $50 one from Amazon is as good as it gets for us, and I'm pretty happy.
And I just took a risk because honestly I've never bought anything like for the house like that off Amazon.
There were some other things you bought me that went back.
No, they didn't. This one made the cut, and I'm telling you, it's still up. I just had to pull it off the table and unplug it because we're using it right now.
We use it every day.
And you
We
may
love
have
this
the other
lamp.
one soon. I don't know.
I
Maybe.
hope so.
We'll see.
I would be totally fine with that.
You can have it ordered within seconds.
This has like a 4-star rating on Amazon. I can't figure out why. It comes in matte. It comes in matte black.
Yeah.
Hint, hint, hint. It comes in matte black.
Oh my God, give me a second. I'm on video. I can't
Comes
order
in
them
matte
right
black
now.
and it comes in gold. The gold is just a little bit over $50, but the black is $50, so we're including it on this one. That is a great find. It has that very French Art Deco kind of feel. It's modern, but it goes really well with a traditional room. It's just a great piece, and I can't believe the price for that. Usually they're a lot more than that,
Yeah.
so this is good. I think we're going to stop today here because we have got some really big ticket items that are going to go in our next video, and the sun is going down
So we
really
have to
early
wrap
right
it,
now.
but we're losing the sun quick.
So we're going to wrap this one. We're going to have one last video for you. We hope that you're finding these videos helpful. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope that you are enjoying these videos and you're finding some helpful things. If there's gift items that you love giving or getting at the holidays, leave us a comment. Let us know what they are.
Or send them to us.
Yes, we do like that too.
Give you our address
We
and
do
you can
love
give
gifts.
to us and we'll give you a shout out.
Yeah, so be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button because we've got tons of more videos coming, including the cake. I feel like you're not paying attention when you're drinking coffee while I'm talking.
I'm relaxing is what they do on the shows. I'm like Regis and you're Kathy Lee or whatever.
Some people won't
Kelly?
know who that is. This is YouTube. People are younger on
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so I will have the recipe for the chocolate cake for this. I've got great wrapping ideas. They're not like not that wrapping,
I don't
but
think
like
that's what
wrapping
rap
paper.
sounds like.
No, it doesn't. I actually listen to rap, and that's not what it sounds
No,
like.
maybe
It was
the-
very 80s.
Maybe the very first rap groups like that. What I listen to.
It was very 80s sounding.
Anyway.
But yeah, we just love being a part of your lives, and you guys getting to be a part of ours. Don't forget, visit us at houseofvalentina.com. So you can shop the collage on the House of Valentina. You can click the pictures, and it will take you directly to the items that we've mentioned in these videos. And visit us at Instagram because I am updating daily with things that I'm seeing in the shops, and you can check out our Christmas wish list there.
All on 2 channels there, House of Valentina and Valentina Fussell.
Yes, the House of Valentina.
The House of Valentina and Valentina Fussell.
Yeah, so check us out there, and we are going to skedaddle and see you again very soon.
Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the little bell for notifications so that every time we post a new video, you find out about it.
There you go. Couldn't have said it better myself. Bye.
Bye.
You really need to lay off the caffeine.
I love
God,
it.
what was that?
I don't know, but I'm going.
People can't understand you when you talk that fast.
Come on, we gotta go.
You're scaring me. God, what did she put in
I
that?
don't know, but I've only
Sure
drank
that's only
half.
caffeine? Oh, you drank half already?
Yes. And I'm sweating. My
God
glasses
help
keep
me.
fogging up.
Oh my God, you're right.
It's hot in here.
It's not
I can't
hot.
wait for the next video so I can show you one of my favorite things, which will change the temperature in this house.
In fact, you probably just change it from the phone while we're sitting
We're
here.
gonna just take off my pants.
Ew! No. Okay, we're turning this off. Yes.
Do I look younger?
You do look. Don't we look younger when we turn the lighting up?
I
That's
look
why I
20
always
now.
overlight.
Just stare. I look 20.
Just a little extra information that you probably don't want to know.
If you take off your glasses, by the way, I do look better. Just saying.
So do I. Please
Whatever.
take your glasses off.